Hey guys, Steve again from Frost Protection Group, and today I just wanted to go over a few things. And you probably found this video because you were searching for who needs life insurance, why should I have life insurance, things like that. And if you were searching for something like that, you came to the right video. So who does need life insurance? If you are, or anybody is, a provider for another person, either financially, maybe physically, maybe it's a spouse, maybe it's children, maybe it's a parent, maybe it's a work situation where you're the CEO of a company and you have other employees that you may need to replace. If something were to happen to them, maybe you need to cover them. So having life insurance on these people, especially your spouse, your parents, your children, having the insurance on yourself. So if something happens to you, they're taken care of, right? So that's the big thing. If you're somebody, like say, that supports another person, either financially or maybe physically, you need to take care of them. Maybe it's a parent. Then having that life insurance will provide them the money to either continue living in the manner that they have been living, keep their house, things like that. Or maybe if it's somebody you take care of, they can hire somebody to take care of them now instead of you, right? Because you're gone. So having that life insurance is pretty important. So let me ask you this. Let's do a couple questions here. You can write these down as you go. So if you were to get life insurance, who would that protect? Would it be a spouse? Would it be a spouse and children? Would it be your parents? Write that down. And so how would it make you feel knowing that you had coverage, that when you were gone, that they would be taken care of? You'd feel pretty good, wouldn't you? So what if you were not the sole provider financially for the family, but maybe you were the main financial person, and something were to happen to you? Would your family be able to live in the same house that you provided for them all those years, or where they're living now? Maybe not, right? So having that coverage, allows you to peacefully sleep at night knowing that having that coverage, your family's taken care of. So many people I know and have seen on Facebook or whatever, somebody unexpectedly passes away and there's very little life insurance, if any, and now they have to do a GoFundMe or something. Now you may say, well, hey, I have life insurance at work. Let me tell you how that works. When you leave the workplace, you do not get to keep that life insurance unless you're in the 1 percentile. Sometimes some government employees will be able to keep their life insurance, but typically not. And you're like, well, what if I die at work? Well, if you're still working and you die, then yeah, you'll get that coverage, be there for your family. But if you, let's say, how many people do you know that have had a heart attack or a stroke or something, and they didn't die? They lived for another 5 years, 10 years, maybe longer. So let's say you're that person, and now you can't work. Your doctor says, oh, sorry, Bob, you can't work anymore. So now you have to quit that job. There goes your life insurance, right? So get some life insurance. If you're still in your 20s, 30s, 40s, get some life insurance. Something that'll last you forever. It's going to be cheap if you're still working. And even if you're 60, 65, get the life insurance as soon as possible because it's cheaper the younger you are. So if you wait another year, it goes up, maybe $5, $7, depending on how much coverage you have. So take time, fill out one of my forms I have, look on the links that are in the description here on the videos or on my channel here, and click on any one of them. You'll get a hold of me and fill out the little information sheet if there is one, or send me an email, whatever it is, and let's sit and talk and see what there is out there that would help you and your family. Okay? All right, you have a good day. The holidays are coming up. I hope you all have a blessed holiday and get to spend it with your children and your grandchildren. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to because there's a massive storm coming. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to make that trip or not. But I hope you all do, and have a good day. Talk to you soon.